In BLAZE, you can monitor and control connected PTZ cameras in real time, including pan, tilt, and zoom. First, click Enable PTZ at the top of the camera feed. Your mouse cursor will change to a crosshair. Position the crosshair over the desired location in the video and click. The camera will move so that the selected point is centered on the screen. You can also drag a specific area on the screen to zoom in. You can also use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. By clicking Home Position, the camera will easily return to its pre-saved home location. Additionally, you can control supported features like a heater or wiper and activate the auto-tracking function. By right-clicking on the PTZ camera feed, a shortcut menu will appear. You can save current position as a preset and quickly move to a saved preset by selecting its number.